What's the meaning of confectioner? Confectioner. Confectioner.
Confectioner. Confectioner. A confectioner is a person who makes and sells candy, pastry, and other sweet foods. They use sugar, chocolate, nuts, fruits, and other ingredients to create delicious treats. Confectioners often work in bakeries or candy shops, where they prepare and display their products for sale. They may also specialize in wedding cakes, chocolate sculptures, or other high-end confections. Overall, a confectioner is someone who has a passion for creating visually appealing and tasty sweets that people can enjoy on special occasions or as treats.